God Himself doing this, reading, writing, thinking, saying it in trade official word, buy and sell. God is the base of column and the root of all work. All work is God doing. All work of the world are accomplished by God's power. God use our body as a God use our body as a tool. Yeah, God use our body, ear, eye, hand, feet, tongue as a tool. Our body, mind, intellect, eye, ear, hand, feet, active, having received inspiration from the source of God, first God, is reflected in the intellect from intellect. Reflected goes to the mind from mind. Reflected goes to the sense organ, then the engine body active. This body, mind, intellect, these are engine. God is the driver. God direct our body. All work are accomplished by God. All the cosmic individual work are accomplished by God. No work can be accomplished without God. Human body is a tool God created. Different countries are several human. There is so much difference. Human, their shapes, nature, intellect, interest, voice, temper, imagine, feeling are different. God manifests Himself. Innumerable forms God remain one, nevertheless, God manifests Himself in different form. God gave us power to do what God watches over all desire. And God desire that will be occur to us. God lead us as hidden. God Himself work and see us. God give water to drink and vegetable to eat. God fashion our body. God create human. God remove our suffering. God give a home to the homeless by gift farm. God give honor by gift children. Those who are poor farmer by God grace plant grow. Green blossom plants bear flowers and fruit. God upon the work of man. God put some human a palace in building as a president. God put some human made for agriculture. God help poor man to cure from the disease anemia by gift. God gives skill to all engineers to do working. God gives strategy to all military. God gives intellect to all prime minister. God gave mighty to all military. God empower potent to all. Football player God give great valor to all. Craft man God give bravery to all mechanic. God give strength to all laborer. God empower brave to all. Forester God empower bold to all pilot. God give empower courageous to all fishermen. God empower tactics to all military commander. God empower expert to all musician. God empower adept to all tailor. God empower advocate to all businessmen. God empower dexterity to all fashion designer. God empower wise to all teacher. God empower splendor beauty of all human. This land, property, country, continent are the belong of God. God is the real proprietor. What you find to killing people for a quarrel, God's property, which property are not yours, but you make war for accumulate God's property. You scrambling for God's property. God Himself dies us in the color. This color shall not fade away. God give us treasure, huge soil, decoration, housing, garden properties, houses, building, soft bed, delicious rice. By God's grace we were to become so great that we were to control and lead all. We were to possess so much power that we could cause others to do our bidding. And God pleases, we become king and enjoy all sorts of taste and pleasure. God is the speaker, teacher, listener, the throne, splendid association, ornament, luscious spirit, princely pleasure, kingly entertainment. By God's grace.